Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through some dock maintenance and suggestions, tips and tricks for you to make sure that you're properly caring for your Roborock Q5 Max Plus. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you'll want to do on the station for your dock to properly care for it is going to be to replace the vacuum bag when it's full. Also, nice little hack and tip here, either on the bag or somewhere up here at the top or anywhere else where you can easily see it. Go ahead, write the date on the bag that you installed it. That'll give you a frame of reference when weeks or months later you come back and you're wondering how long it's been since you've emptied or changed the bag. That's going to be one of my tips right there, but that's how you easily swap this out once it's full with a new bag. So go ahead, stay up to date on that. And then down here every once in a while, if you see any debris or dirt accumulating, go ahead, grab a can of compressed air and just clean that out. Super simple. And then everything else is just going to be kind of on a need by needs basis here. You might notice if there's any debris built up here, you can always rinse that off, wipe it down. Same with the channel here. Make sure that the charging contacts don't have any debris built up on them. Check this sensor too. And then underneath, you can always periodically check in here for that main channel for any debris or buildup. And if you have to get access to clean it out, just a couple of screws here that you can unscrew with the Phillips head screwdriver, the one that's, built into the stand. Remove that, wash, rinse. You can also, declutter, debris, whatever's in there, and you'll be all set and ready to go. So very simple to care for your station and dock for your vacuum. Just make sure you're changing the vacuum bag when it's full and keep an eye visually on everything else. If you notice anything accumulating or building up, just gently wipe it down, grab some compressed air, and keep it nice and clean.